Today, after work, I'm planning to film how to wash my Tesla at a car wash in downtown Brea. Since the windshield show in the every video, I try to keep it clean every time. When you're doing a car wash, just put your Tesla in car wash mode and enable free roll. When you see neutral sign from car wash, it's time to enable free roll. Press brake and shift to D to enable. Alright, let's go through the steps while we wash the Tesla.
Now make a U-turn at West 8th Street.
First, hit the service button, then car wash mode, and finally, enter car wash mode. Remember, if your speed goes over 10 miles, car wash mode will disable automatically. So, make sure to move slowly, staying under 10 miles. You can catch a sunset between the walls. Once you see the shift to N, neutral sign, press the brake and shift to D to enable it. Get ready and wait for the car wash attendant to give you the signal. When you enable free roll, take your foot off the brake. Is almost done. Now unfold your side mirrors. When the go light turns on, press the brake, shift to D and drive out, and that's it. We're all done. Ready to shoot tomorrow's video.